It's like the Sahara Desert. I mean, anyway, that's always across the river where we see the sand dunes. This is the back side. Okay, straight to the center, you think? Should I do the bend through the desert on a horse with no shame? No, I'm kidding. This is... Oh, it's so hard. It's the same sand, it's just how you step in it. Shh. Okay, here, no more tricks. I mean, or, you know, whatever, you just like... Dun, 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 no, I'm kidding. This is beautiful. But no, see where I skipped? Like, you don't... Kind of cool, like, you see my footprints? And then they disappear, right? This is underneath the Florence Bridge, where the trolls live. I'm kidding. It's kind of a boring town. There's never anything really to see here. This is the other annual on the bridge. Some guy in some CERT car, SRT, I don't know what that is, parked underneath the bridge too. What is this? I don't know. Does it have fire? To be honest with you, like if this guy was like, "Yo, Pinks," I'd be like, "Oh no." I got a funny feeling this is a fast car. I don't know why, but it might be fast. I don't know. Then maybe I could smoke it. But like I said, my car I think has at least 100 horsepower. I don't know what this is. But it looks scary. It's got like a face on the side. I don't know what it is though. Okay, back to the bridge. But if you're a troll, like watch, this is probably her car. This is hilarious. I don't know what it is. I wouldn't recognize it. If anybody out there knows what kind of car this is, let me know. Yeah. Okay. This is underneath the famous Florence Drawbridge. It's kind of a boring place to hang out and look for cool cars. But, you know, I mean, there's never anything interesting around here. There was a guy driving through here. Look, hey, that car's okay. But look at the architecture of the bridge. Is that cool? You're under the bridge. Okay. Sorry. get some pictures of it. Ciao. It's very rat rod, literally. That is nice. Anyway, Shazam moment. Okay, this is probably the coolest orange car in the parking lot. I mean, there's a lot of really cool other orange cars. Okay, not really. Well, maybe that yellow one over there, but this one's cool. But orange cars, this one wins for sure. Like if I had to pick, that is just ta-da. I mean, I'm sure it's got a shiny ass motor in there. Looks like it. Okay. Okay, that's my car. I swear. Okay, that's a great blue heron. I'm not kidding. I'm gonna attempt.
Table sitting from this point on is now just
Vocabulary. Okay, ta-da! Anyway, just to give you an idea. I got that bitch. Yeah. Anyway, whatever. It's ridiculously hard to do that, I swear. Anyway, there's a bird over there somewhere. Okay. Still there.
Yep. There he goes.
To
drier land.
It just fucking moved.
So there goes. Shots no better for the dog.
Can you touch the screen where the bird is? Thank you. If you can come around the other side and do it, I'd appreciate it. Thank you. I'm trying to get all fancy now, like, fuck you. Look at that shit. Here, go do it again now, but touch it. Baby, don't push me, please. Just touch the screen. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay. That is the great blue heron on my girlfriend's head. She is sitting on my car. I'm not kidding you. Holy shit. That is a trifecta right there. The only thing that would be better, if this son of a bitch flies away, it's gonna really piss me off. But, I mean, not that it wouldn't be a great shot with it sitting on her. There's a great, oh shit, there's a car coming. Swear to God. Hey, you just ruined the whole, like, classical, whatever. Okay. I'm gonna try and do this. Probably not gonna work. Gonna go for a car, her, bird, me, background. Anyway. There's the bird. Yeah, I did this with CG. I swear, there's a great blue heron in there. There's my girl. Okay, look, let me set it up again. Dun dun dun. Lamb. I got. Anyway, I swear I had the great blue heron on her head. Yeah, hold on.